Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. So today I had originally wanted to go to Natchez Trace Bridge and get some beautiful shots out there because the bridge is extraordinarily tall and the highway is super scenic. But since it's a federal highway, it's a no-fly zone, especially for drones. So we're gonna go out to Percy Priest Lake today, get some beautiful shots, maybe see some people boating, maybe fly over an island or two. And I did finally receive my extra 2 battery packs in the mail for my FPV drone today. So we'll have some more time to be out there, spend on the lake, and then some more time to get some awesome shots. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack up the drone, and we can go ahead and drive out there. So I got Brandon with me today, but we just pulled up to the lake, so we're gonna go ahead and break out the drone, get some shots. There's a hell of people out on their boats, so it's the perfect day. All right guys, all the batteries are dead, but it was an awesome day out on the lake, so we're about to head back home and make this video. Peace.